Fish on, guys. Haha. Jack fish. Haha. Yeah, guys, Jamaican shore fishing. One jack fish on, guys. That's what's up. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Barra, guys. Aha. Woohoo. Look at this Jamaican shore fishing. Barracuda. Woohoo. Big boy. That's what's up, Jamaican shore fishing. That is it. Yeah, guys. I've been working all morning for this. I've been working all morning for this, guys. I've been working all morning. This is what's up, guys. Jamaican shore fishing here. Here, season greetings ready. Yeah. Alright, guys. We just caught these barras a while ago. The barra and this jack, and I had the glass nose from the other night. I'm gonna actually do a fry up, escovitch style right now, guys. So stay tuned, guys. I want to get this fish cleaned up. As you see in the video, I just caught him. Get him cleaned up and get him cut and scaled and sliced up into steaks, and then get him escovitch. Alright, guys, stay tuned. Yeah, guys. So what I'm trying to do is dry these slices off a bit so that they don't splash. So I'm gonna add some lime to this water to get rid of that rawness, so I don't smell at the house with fish. Getting the house all raw and stuff, guys. So yeah, getting rid of that rawness in there, guys. So yeah, guys, just stay tuned. I gotta clean this barrel up real good, and once I get it cleaned up, we'll get them seasoned up and fried up, guys. Alright. Alright, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. I just cleaned up these barras. I cleaned up the 2 glass nose and the jack I caught this morning. So I'm gonna do a little fry up on these, guys. So stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Big up in the damn self. Seasoning's out on last year prepared. I got my fish seasoned up, and I had to run and go get some onions and stuff while because I actually ran out. So my fresh scallions, fresh onions and stuff like that for my escovitch. So here we go, guys. I'm getting this together. I can't hold the camera and work at the same time, but stay tuned. This is ready to go. Got the frying pan heating up. I'll drop a clip in while I'm frying these up. All right, so that's the next step. I'm gonna fry these bad boys up, and then while I'm frying, I'll make my seasoning. In the frying pan now, chocolate in these, let these go and fry up. I'll flip these in a few minutes, and then I'm getting the escovitch ready on the meantime. All right, guys, stay tuned. I got my scotchy pepper cut up. I got my carrots, my onion, my garlic cut up. I use garlic, guys. A lot of people don't use it, but I use it. And I have the first batch of fish fried up, guys. All right, so stay tuned. I have the second batch here, guys, and the second batch is frying up right now. So stay tuned on that. I'm going to get it on there for this, alright? Now I got my vinegar in the pot. I'm going to drop my onions, my peppers and stuff in there so it can come to a slow boil. Oops. So it can come to a slow boil, guys, and get that stuff in your station. Alright guys, now I can't hold the camera and do this at the same time, so I have to do one at a time. So I got the escabeche now, just come to a simmer. More let it boil for like a 2 minutes and then just cut it off. You don't want the onions too soft and the carrots too soft. You still want a little crunchy. I got the second batch of fish. I just gave it the flip. So waiting on it to done up the next side. Once it's done on the next side, guys, we'll escabeche these bad boys and get them sorted out. Alright? Making sure fish. We have all the fish, the bar ready. Fish ready up now. We'll add on the escabeche on it, guys. And then we'll let this sit until the rice and them something are ready. See? Stay tuned. About it. Escabeche fish. This is it, guys. Escabeche fish one-on-one. Yes, guys, this is it, guys. Escabeche fish one-on-one with Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Thank you, guys, for joining the channel. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. We appreciate you 100%. We're aiming for 2K for the New Year's, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and watch the ads. Alright? That's what this is. Here, guys. Get out of this light so you guys can see the fish, the food. I'm about to devour this. Some garlic rice and this right now, guys. Alright, guys. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Jamaican Shore Fishing.